How to fix Outlook storage full. So here I am in my Outlook account, and then from here, if your Outlook storage is full, what you can do is that you can free up some space in your Outlook account by just deleting some emails. So for example, right here, you are in your inbox. So from here, what you can do is that you can delete emails right here that are old and you don't really need anymore. Like for example, if you want to delete an email, you can just go ahead and click the delete icon right here when you hover on an email. So now I click delete, and then now that email is deleted. So if you want to select multiple emails at once, you can go ahead and press on the check mark right here. And then as you can see, all of them will be selected according to the emails that I have selected. Or if you want to select all of your emails, you can just click this one right here, and then it will select all emails in your inbox. So as you can see, when I scroll down, you can see that all emails are selected. And then another way to do it is that what you can do is that you can filter all of your emails that has attachments so that you can see what emails has the largest file size. So to do that, right here, you can go to filter, click has files, and then you will see all of the emails that has files right here. But if you want to filter that emails according to their size, you can click the sort right here, click size, and then for the sort, you can choose whether that be the largest file where the largest size is on top, and then the smallest file size is at the bottom. So for example, this one has the largest size of the email, so I can go ahead and see the content of it, and then I can just go ahead and click delete. So when you delete an email, they will be redirected to your deleted items, where the emails that you have deleted will be staying right here for up to 30 days. Because if you want to go ahead and restore an email, you can still restore it. So for example, I can go ahead and restore an email, for example, this one. So for example, I just accidentally delete this. I can still bring it back to the main inbox by just clicking the restore button right here. And then as you can see, now that item is restored in my main inbox. And then if you want to permanently delete an email so that you can free up some space, what you need to do is that you just need to select on that specific email, like for example this one. Then you can just go ahead and right click and then click delete if you have selected multiple items, or you can just click the delete icon right here, and then it will also delete all of the emails that you have selected. Then click OK, and then now you have deleted the email. And then in order to see your storage, you can just go right here to settings, and then go to account, and then go to storage. From here, you will see the file size, or like the amount of storage that you have already used. So in my case, I still have a lot of storage right here. So I just used 0.07 gigabytes out of 49.50 gigabytes. So from here, you can see like the size of like the specific emails that takes up a lot of space. Like for example, you have your drafts right here with a blue color, your sent items with the yellow color, your deleted items with the green color, and then your other email items with the gray color. Then you can manage your storage right here to see the size that is being taken up by the specific files right here, or the specific folders. Like for example, the biggest folder that takes up a lot of space is this one, the drafts folder, which has 23 megabytes, and then the message count is 26. And then next is this one, the sent items, 18.73 megabytes with 110 messages. So you can just go ahead and compare the folders right here that takes up a lot of space. Then what you can do is that you can just go right here to manage and then click empty, and then it's either you empty all of the items inside of that folder, or you empty the items that are 3 months and older, or you delete the items that are 6 months and older or 12 months and older. So just choose what you want to delete. And then for example, let's say 12 months and older. And then as you can see, it will say right here, are you sure you want to permanently delete all messages 12 months and older from your deleted items folder? Then click OK, and then they should now be deleted. So in my case, I don't really have any messages that are 12 months and older. That's why the size wasn't changed. But for example, let's try 3 months and older. Click OK. So I don't really have items that are 3 months and older as well. So what I need to do is that I just need to click all. But I think I still need some of the other messages right here. So I'm just going to use maybe this one, the subfolder that I don't really use anymore. So I can just click all, click OK, and then now that folder is now deleted right here since it just contains one email. And then if it is a permanent folder right here or a default folder, you will just see the size right here being reverted back to 0. And then that is basically it. So that is how we can fix the Outlook storage being full. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.